Fellow adventurers, good morning and welcome to another episode of Adventures to Go. Today we are out here at Fossil Creek Park and we are going to be checking out a new trail that they have. It's about 1.5 miles total. I rode it on my bike last week and it turned out to be like 1.6, but it might not be accurate. Anyways, let's go see what this trail has in store. Okay, so here at the trailhead, we are going to be going on the red route today. We're starting right about here, and we're going to work our way all the way through the red route. So immediately on the trail, I'm seeing poison ivy all off to each side of the trail. So yeah, springtime in Texas, be careful. Okay, so we're coming up to a split in the trail here, and I believe this is going to be one of those access spots down to the creek. Looks like Roy has already explored it. Let's go ahead and see what he found. One of the interesting little parts of this park here is it's called Fossil Creek for a reason, and here's why. This rock here is a really good specimen of showing bioturbation with having the old ancient burrows of some animal filled in and fossilized. That's what all that is. Really cool. You gotta look for it, but once you find it, it's quite interesting. A lot of area for just playing. Nice gravel sandbar here. So yeah, hopefully summertime comes along. This will be a really fun spot to just kind of chill out and listen to the sound of the water. Okay, Roy and I are back up on the trail and we have about 3/4 of it or so finished up. So we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of this trail knocked out. All right, here we go. Okay, so back at the Jeep, got the whole 1.6 miles of trail done over here at Fossil Creek Park. And I gotta admit, this is a pretty easy trail. No real elevation change. You get to go out and get down on the creek. That's really nice. If you have pets, then they get to hop in the water a little bit. And yeah, overall I would rate this an easy trail and just a fun little day hike. Come out with just a backpack with lunch and enjoy it. It's a great park.